Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back here. Okay, so today I am going to be making one of these mini wreaths. Now these mini wreaths come in two in a package at the Dollar Tree. So they are, I believe, 8 inches around, and they make really cute wreaths, especially if you're in a small area, or if you have a cubicle at work, or your office door, apartment door, or even if you have a window you would like to put it in, or just like to have a smaller wreath for your front door. Either way, these do make really cute wreaths. So, and the good thing about these also is they only take 2 packages of the mesh. So now this is a Thanksgiving color mesh. This is not the mesh that I used. I used the candy corn mesh for mine. So you will need 2 of the mesh from the Dollar Tree, 1 wreath. You will need some pipe cleaners, any color you would like. I personally use, I believe, white and yellow in mine, but I use these that are softer, because those ones that are glittery, they actually hurt my fingers when I twist them around, so I don't like to use them. So all I do with my pipe cleaners, or Chanel stems as people call them also, is I fold them over and I cut them in half. So I don't even know how many I used. I think I used maybe 16 of them, but I'm not sure. So I'm sorry, I forgot to count when I was making them, how many I needed. Okay, so you can also use some decorative ribbon, which I do have here. This ribbon came from the Dollar Tree. I really do like this ribbon. This is very pretty. It's orange. It goes with my theme. This ribbon, however, I got from Joann's, and because I'm making a candy corn wreath, I figured I would use this candy corn ribbon. So, and it is wired ribbon. So I don't exactly measure things. I'm not that precise. So, you know, so I just take the mesh. Now, of course, I've already cut mesh. So I take the mesh here, and this is the mesh that I'm using. And I mean, you could count it like maybe 7 inches like that. And I cut straight across. Okay. So I will show you one more time. I mean, you don't really, like me, I really do not measure anything. So cut it again, and then I cut it straight across. Okay. So, I mean, it's that simple. My fan is on. I apologize. It's extremely hot, which is crazy because it's the 10th of October. And I have my fan. And I like it because it rolls up on itself. I mean, you know. So, see how unprofessional I am? I just unroll it, and that is it. I get out as much as I can. Now, see how it's at the end, and it's held up here by these, this is like a staple. So, I'll just cut right to the edge of that staple for this last one. So, because I don't like how it, if you use the staple part of it, it like is crinkled from being folded. So now, like I told you, what I do with these is I fold them in half. I fold them in half, just directly in half, and then I cut them. Okay, so all right, so I already have these. So what I do is, you see how it's already curled up on itself? Very simple. So I just line it up with the little lines that are going across, and then I just fold it over. I hold it like that in my hand, and I get the middle, because I'm using the middle one as a guide line, and I just take this pipe cleaner, I take these and I hold them up, and I twist this as tight as I can, and you get a little V. So you get a little V, just like that. Okay? Now, if you're going to use ribbon, I'll show you how I do the ribbon. It's very, very simple. We're going to take this. We're going to also, again, line it up like we did before. Okay, and curl it around. We're going to then put our ribbon right in the middle of that. So it's laying flat. You're going to take your chenille stem, going to do the same thing you did before, fold it over, take these two ends, twist them around until you make a V, just like that. And I twist it pretty hard. I want it to make sure that it's going to stay put. And then you just have that, just like that, okay? See this ring here? There's 3 rings on here. I'm going to use the middle ring, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little bundle that I've already made, flip it over, and then I'm going to just twist it on, okay? Just like that, okay? Twist it on just like that. Then I take my 2 ends here, and I want to make sure that they are nice and straight. And you'll see why I do that next. Okay, so you're just going to do the same thing. It's a repetitive motion. You're just going to take them, twist them all around, and it's really easy if you hold on to it and ring it around, and then make sure that this is straight with this one. And you see that they are kind of loose, so don't worry about it. All right. So, and I'm just going to keep going around and around until I have my section. Okay, so, and then every once in a while, if you want to, because not every single one of these has the ribbon on it, so every once in a while, maybe every 3rd or 4th one, that's when I'll use the ribbon. So I'm not going to use a lot of the ribbon, just a little bit. All right, so see, okay. All right, guys, so I'm just going to start from here, and I'm just going to keep going, okay. Okay guys, so this is how it looks so far. It's almost half done already. I only used one of the ribbons here. And see how you really can't see the colors of the chenille stems. And then this is how it looks in the back. I'm going to make it all pretty in the back, and you'll see. I just like how it, when I make it all nice like that and I twist it all together, it will all lay evenly, so none of these chenille stems will be sticking out, so it'll be easier to put against a wall or a door. Alright guys, I'm going to come back when it is all completed. Okay guys, so we are coming to the end of this, and this is how it looks so far. So yeah, it looks really nice. I just love how these turn out. So, and you want to make sure that it gets like covered, so that, because this is a lighter color one, I'm really trying to push them together so you can't really see inside of it. So you can't see like there's any bare spots or anything, because this one is pretty light, so in color. So I'm just going to go in and twist this around. We only have a couple more to do, that's why, and it's getting tighter and tighter to do it. So, and then these, I just keep them and I twist them around, and then until they're all the way to the end, and it keeps them together a lot better as well. And then I just push them all over. So once I'm done, I'll go around and make sure all these are pushed over and tucked in, so it makes it a lot neater. Okay, so there you go. So, and I just have this section to do now. What's easy about these ones too, the way it's done, is if you have lights, you can put the lights in the back and push them through the front, and then you'll have easier access to get to your battery pack and everything for the lights. One more and then I am done. This is the very last one. I'm trying to get it in here. It's a little tight now. Oh, keeps. I'll have to remember never to wear this shirt again when I'm doing these, because it keeps grabbing my shirt. Okay, so now all I'm doing is just going to twist these. That makes them tighter, and I think I could take. Oh, I'll just push that one down, and this one goes down. is that? That's the whole entire thing completed. So I just like how they look. I think they look so pretty. Now you can decorate it any way you want. You could put any kind of ornament that you want on there. I'm basically just really going to leave this one plain until I really find something that pops out to me that I want to put on here. So I'm going to finish it up and I'll come back and I'll show you how it looks. Okay guys, so this is how I did mine. I thought that this is really, really cute, and like I said, with lights on it, it'll be really cute. My purple one has lights on it. Now, because this is a lighter color, you really do have to bunch them up a lot so that you can't see underneath it. I think it looks really, really cute, simple to make. Now, all I do is I take a pipe cleaner at the back of it, and I'll put it on here, just like to hang it. So that is all I do, because these are so light, you don't really need anything too heavy to go on there for a hanger. So I just use 2 pipe cleaners or 1 pipe cleaner, and that is it. That is how I hang mine, just with the pipe cleaner. And like I said, you can decorate it any way you want. You could put flowers in here. You could put any kind of embellishment that you want. Right now, like I said, I just want it plain because I don't know what I want to do with it yet. Alright guys, so that is my tutorial on how to get this done. This little 8-inch mini wreath, and it looks really big. I mean, it's a really nice size once you're done. It really is, and I love it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. Alright, let me know if you make it. Tell me down below, and if you are going to make one and you make one, please tag me on Instagram. Show me that you made it. Alright guys, bye!